Hello everyone, this is Morgan from Zhejiang Shanghai International Sales Department, and today we are going to introduce our value of items. Here we can see there is the armchair, and I want to introduce the special point is it fabric, we use elephant fabric. The price of elephant fabric is more expensive than the swan poly fabric, but it really has the hard feel, and it is the UV resistant and waterproof function. And we can get close to see the structure of this armchair. It uses the elephant fabric to use as the back and seat, and it's the lockdown structure. We use some screws on there, and it can be departed in four parts. So the loading quantity is really high. So if you are interested about our products, you can leave a message, and don't forget to give us a like below this video. I will see you soon. Bye.